Alright guys, we're going on an Vade cruise. Well, not really a cruise, it's a meet, but this is one of the biggest BMW M events that we have going on, and it's going to be taking place at Canals dealership. We're cruising with a bunch of cars, as you can see. I'll give you a little glide of all the cars. I'll give you a little panel of all the cars just to see what we're rolling with, and I'll show you more of the cars at the show. Guys, this color is dope. He's got an Atlantis blue wrap, and I think it's one of the last wraps that were available because now it's discontinued, but it is a sick color for sure. See, we're pretty open to anyone coming here. Think the X3M as the new wife daily. I don't know, I think that really fits the bill. She is not too happy because of the size. She's like, it's as big as a sedan, but what does she know? More horsepower. More horsepower. Oh yeah, snapper racks. That's why they have the X4 in this color too. Okay, big grill. Big grill. Alright. When you back it up though, it looks kind of normal, I guess. I don't know. Kinda. I still think this is a good buy. This is so small. I'm not even a green car kind of guy, but that car looks sweet. On YouTube. Let's go. This is YouTube world. Let's go. It's quiet. It's quiet, bro. It's quiet. a E90 M3 sedan with the Volks, just classic. But both are supercharged. Like, look at these boys. Probably like 500-600 horsepower easily. Looks good on you, Chris. Red interior. Hey, crystal shift lamp. Okay, all you have to do is remove your legs prior to entry. Get in the back seat. So bad. But no heated steering wheel, so I won't do it. Attack. This color is sick, especially because it's factory frozen. Teresa, hi. Let's go! Alright. Just go to the slowdown. Slow down again and do it again. Just keep slingshotting it. Yeah, hell yeah, you can launch it.
Broken in? Yeah, 7,000 miles. How do I do that?
Dude, foot on the brake?
Yeah.
And then gas pedal?
No, but you have to turn off DC too.
Oh.
You can't see it for that. You can't do it.
Oh, they'll know, right? This car's broken in. It's already broken in. Damn. Yeah, this is nice. Should we launch it again just for fun? I'm just kidding. We're making it right, chill.